Let's talk about RICO. Anyone heard about that recently? There's an act called the Racketeer Influenced Corrupt Organization Act, and this act was passed in the 1970s, and the purpose was to really combat the organized crime problems that we were having at the time. Originally, it was set out as a federal statute, and many states decided to pass their own RICO statutes that look very similar, but with some differences here and there. Now, with all of these RICO statutes, there are a few key elements. First, we need to have participation in a enterprise, meaning a group of people are coming together, and within that enterprise they have a common goal, and they're planning to use racketeering activities in order to achieve that goal. Now, racketeering activities means some kind of fraudulent acts or criminal acts, bad acts, in order to obtain some type of profit or benefit. Now, when this group of people comes together into this enterprise, it doesn't mean that there's some kind of an incorporated company involved. It means there's a group of people with this common goal. That's what the enterprise element of RICO means. Now, this piece of pattern of racketeering activity means you're going to need a few overt acts in order to show that a RICO situation has occurred. It will again depend on your jurisdiction about what exactly is needed, but we've got also this conspiracy element, which is one of our inchoate offenses. Now, with inchoate offenses, it's the agreement, participation, understanding that makes the crime itself. You don't have to be successful in your goal, in your crime, in order to be charged with an inchoate offense, which is the same for a RICO charge. So your enterprise of people coming together to do a pattern of racketeering activity, you don't have to be successful to still be charged. It's this agreement, this enterprise itself, that is the basis of the charge. This statute has been used many times in order to take down a group of people trying to maintain control or gain some kind of profit or benefit from racketeering activities. Perhaps one of the most famous, John Gotti in New York. There were a lot of different mob bosses taken down in the 1990s when it came to the RICO Act. For any case, we need to have an act and intent, and that equals our crime. Here, the act is this agreement, this criminal enterprise to go forward and participate in racketeering activities. And the intent is, why are they participating? Is it to maintain power? Is it to gain some kind of profit? What's the benefit? And that will show what the intent is. There you have it, a quick overview of RICO, or Racketeering Influenced Corrupt Organizations Act.